Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Basakas, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm on a mission to explore opposites. Come on! You know, opposites like taumaha, heavy, and mama, light. Or ki runga, ki raro. Runga, raro, up, down, runga, raro. Whee! Oh. Ki roto, in, ki waho, out. Ooh, I can see another one, my cousins. Come on! Check it out, my cousins. It's a tarere, a swing. Can you guess what tauaro this is gonna be? I'll give you a clue. Woo, 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 woo. Let's do it. Okay, ki mua, ki muri. Forwards, backwards. Okay, get ready for my dismount. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Woo! Okay, my cousins, let's do this one together. Let's move to our left. Nikemawi. Okay, let's move to our right. Nikemato. Nikemawi. Nikemato. 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 Fast. Slow. All this mahi exploring different tauaro has me super tired. And wera, hot. I think I need to sit down. He rangi a tāhua. It sure is a beautiful day. And the rays of tamanui te rā a tino wera. Hot. They've made me tino wera. Hey, what's the opposite of hot? What is the opposite of hot? Oh, I know. Cold. Makariri. I've got a drink that's tino makariri. Ka kite anō, my cousins.